Let us be honest, AI has already taken your job. Think about it. No cost of production, cast and crew. Limited data.
When you saw the video I just played, were you thinking I was the one? Let me know in the comment section if you quickly figured that was AI, because that is not me. I just used my picture, then typed exactly what I wanted it to say.
Hi, I'm Glory Rex. I'm here to save your job. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have so much more to show you. Like, share, and subscribe. Love you.
I don't have that accent. Okay, so the good thing about HeyGen is that you can generate any picture of your choice to say what exactly you want it to say in the accent you want it to sound like. Guess what? Is fast. The good thing about it is that you can also tell it how you want it to express itself. From what I wrote, I wanted it to be a lady that was talking to the camera, you know, telling people something, and I actually achieved the results. The only limitation was I used the free version. So I know there are some limitations you can get with free versions, but of course you can still play around and see what you can achieve with HeyGen. In this particular video, I'll be sharing with you my discoveries about HeyGen, how you can explore, you know, what you can achieve with it, things you can do with it, you know, and just show you how this platform looks like, just in case you might want to be that content creator that doesn't want to be shy anymore. I want to come out to the big screen. AI is really coming in handy this period, and guess what? AI is not here to take your job. However, smart people will use AI to enhance their jobs. A lot of people are doing it. Look at what people are doing with ChatGPT. It will really shock you what is happening, because people are even using ChatGPT to code. Yes, code. I'll do another separate video to tell you about all of that. You will know if you have subscribed to my channel. That's why you have to subscribe to my channel. So guys, we'll talk about HeyGen. Yeah, things I discovered and other things I want to talk about related to AI. Keep watching while I share with you my latest discoveries. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm always excited to film another video for you guys because you guys are amazing. You keep me on my feet. I like the conversations we have online and offline. You guys are like my superheroes, and I'm just the face of the brand. Thank you so much for being amazing. Okay, so I know you've been seeing so many videos that were created with AI, and this particular video might just be one of the ones you have seen, or maybe you've not seen any at all. What I want to do is talk more about AI related videos that has to do with production. For those that do not know, I am a movie audio editor, so most times I'm behind the scene, you know, working on one or two magic that you guys are going to enjoy. So I feel like it would be nice to come and talk about some AI tools that I have used at one point in my life, or the ones I just discovered.
Are you hungry? I'm not talking about food. I'm talking about a deeper hunger, the hunger for hope, for peace, for purpose. The gospel of love is God's answer to that hunger.
I even discovered another one last night when I was trying to make a thumbnail for my video. That AI tool is called Photo Room. I'll pop it on the screen for you guys. It's basically a platform that you can use to remove background of any picture and then take that picture to wherever you need it. The good thing about it is that you can keep the quality of the picture that you are extracting the background. You can also enhance the look of that picture. I looked at my thumbnail one time. I was like, I noticed most times when I use the normal remove background remover that I use, it kind of reduces the quality of how my face looks whenever I take it to Canva to go and work. Although Canva has the remove background, but that is for the paid version. I just feel comfortable using what I use. So at the time I'm making this video, I've not seen the need yet to upgrade to Canva Pro. So let's go back to what we've been saying, because I feel like one AI topic will always lead to the next. It's amazing how artificial intelligence is taking over the creative space, but it's also helping people to be a lot more productive. Bear in mind that the way AI is going, you have to learn how to use certain things to stand out, because there's some mistakes that I still see when it comes to generating videos using AI. I'll share all of that later in another video. This is like the first of its kind in a while, so I'll be talking about other AI features here and there, so just bear with me. Okay, so the beautiful part of HeyGen is that it is beginner friendly. Anybody can use it. Just sign up. You can just sign with your Google account. Yeah, then straight up you come to this page. You can see, of course, you can see home, templates, and other features that it has. So the one I'm talking about specifically for this video is to generate pictures to video. Okay, once you click on that, it brings out this column you guys can see here on the screen. It provides a place where you upload your photo. The next thing is look out for instructions. Type anything you want to type. Just type it here, what you want to say. Type what you want to say here. After that, look at the platform, you see where you can pick a voice, the voice of your choice, the accent you want. You can also prompt the character you want to see when the picture has turned to video. Just blink and blink again, it's already done. Let me put a disclaimer, that depends on your internet, to be honest, because sometimes you are in this side of town you can't really guarantee anything. But so far so good. At the times I've used this platform, it was pretty simple. Before I know it was done, so you download it to anywhere you want and then you start to share the video. Of course, it's going to come copyrighted, and that's okay. It's going to come copyrighted. Of course, you're using the free version. What do you expect? For those that want to try the premium version, of course you can. I just thought to like introduce this topic for those that have been seeing people create magic and they are wondering, what did they do? Oh my god, they didn't do anything that you can't do. I just showed you what to do. In fact, I'm so excited. I finally, filmed this video because I've been battling with the weather and the position of my camera since morning, and god, I'm grateful. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll make another video talking about the updates of ChatGPT and other AI platforms that I've discovered. I'll make more videos moving forward. Check out my playlist. You'll see something that will be of interest to you. Do not forget that you are loved and I love you. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate the fact that you're here with me. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. My name is Glory Rex. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, adios. We don't give up over here. We get something. At least I need a video. If not, I might not meet up to posting videos, but let me just see what I can achieve in the meantime with what I have.
Keep shining, keep growing. Every step the light is showing. Dreams are closer, don't you doubt. The best is humming.